ongoing thing.
What's up guys, my name is RSM1. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen for absolutely free. Yes guys, $0. This is very helpful if you want to make like gaming videos or just simply record your screen, do tutorial videos, or maybe do reaction videos like I do on my other channel. And this is going to be absolutely legal guys. So let's get started. First off, you want to go to Google, you're going to be typing in OBS. Going to go to downloads. Okay, they have it for Windows, Apple, and Linux. Right now we're running a Windows computer, so we're gonna click download installer right here. It's gonna start downloading. After it downloads, you're just gonna go to the install phase. We already did that, so we can install OBS on the OBS we're already running right now. After you open OBS, of course, this is just a background I have. It's one of my setups I have. I haven't used it yet. But we're going to be creating a new scene. We're going to go by add. We're going to add scene, and let's just leave it at scene 2. And in scene 2, we're going to be going to the source. The source is going to be a display capture. So we're going to be capturing the second screen. It's the screen I have next to me because I'm running 3 screens. So we're going to click OK. And this is the other screen. This is screen number 2. And this is the screen number 1. So that's about it guys. You can mess around here with your audio. You got to know what your audio device is. You can go to properties and just select your audio device and your microphone. Of course, mine is muted right now because I'm recording this audio separately. Go to properties and add the mic you're using. In this case, I'm using the Samsung CO3U. I couldn't even spell that. Now we're going to go to the actual recording phase. In this case, you simply just want to hit start recording and you're recording your screen. Now I'm on my other screen. I'm just going to simply go to YouTube as an example, and you're recording your screen right now. Now that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. My name is RSM1, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.